Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to fix any issue on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Settings applications. This is the central hub for managing and customizing almost every feature on your device, from display settings to security options. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and locate General Management. Tap on it to access options that control system functions like language, input methods, and resets. Step 3. Within General Management, scroll down until you find the Reset option and tap on it. This is where you can troubleshoot most issues by resetting specific settings or performing a full factory reset. Step 4. Now in the Reset menu, scroll and locate Factory Data Reset, then tap on it. This option restores your phone to its original factory settings, which can resolve software glitches, app crashes, or performance issues. Step 5. This step is crucial. Before proceeding, make sure to back up all your important data, including documents, photos, videos, and contacts. Factory resetting your phone will delete all personal data and installed apps. Once backed up, scroll down and tap Reset, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After the reset is finished, your Samsung phone will reboot and look brand new, with all original settings restored. By following these steps, you can fix almost any issue on your Samsung device safely. Don't forget to restore your backup and enjoy your refreshed phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.